The punishment range for that is a minimum of 2 years.
One of the questions that I get quite often,
they're driving on the roadway and they're stopped, they're alleged to be intoxicated, and they have a child.
Hi, I'm criminal defense attorney Tim Powers, and today we're talking about driver's license issues with a DWI. That seems to be the initial concern for anybody who's arrested for DWI, and DWI driver's license issues are a very, very complex body of law. If you refuse a breath test or a blood test, which is usually our suggestion, then at the time you bond out of jail, you will be given a temporary driving permit and notice of suspension. Your driver's license will also not be returned to you. That temporary driving permit notice of suspension informs you that unless you contact the Texas Department of Public Safety within 15 days, your driver's license is subject to suspension 40 days from the date of your arrest. So in essence, if you do nothing, your driver's license will automatically be suspended 40 days from the date of your arrest. Make sure you contact an attorney within those 15 days because your attorney needs to request a driver's license hearing for you. By requesting a hearing, you will not have an automatic driver's license suspension. A hearing called an ALR hearing, Administrative License Revocation hearing, is actually set in about 60 to 90 days. There, the state has to prove that there was reasonable suspicion to stop you, probable cause to arrest you, whether or not you were given the opportunity to take a breath test or a blood test, and you refused, or in a different case, you were above the legal limit of .08. We want to fight that license revocation and license suspension because we want to keep you on the road. Most attorneys win about half their hearings. Sometimes they lose about half their hearings. And that does not mean you have just a 1 and 2 shot. That means sometimes we do some really, really good work. Sometimes the officer doesn't show up. Sometimes the state does not have a strong case. Sometimes they do. If we win your driver's license hearing, then you will never have a suspension. If we lose it for refusal, you have a suspension for up to 180 days. And if you have a prior DWI contact within the last 10 years, that can actually be a suspension for up to 2 years. If that's the case, your attorney can get an occupational driver's license for you, so you'll be able to drive legally regardless of whether or not your driver's license is suspension. You want to treat a DWI very, very seriously. It can cost you tens of thousands of dollars if it's not handled properly. Call the aggressive criminal defense team of the Law Office of Tim Powers, serving Denton and Collin County. We fight DWIs on a daily basis, and we will get the best result for you. Law Office of Tim Powers, timpowers.com, in Denton, 940-483-8000, in McKinney, 972-724-4820.